as smart as doctors?
No.
We are not.
No, we're smarter.
True?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're about to find out.
Yeah.
Here we have patients.
No, we have to get to that Spider-Man quickly.
Spider-Man, we know Spider-Man's issue from the go. Show them Spider-Man.
No.
Why does
Spider-Man
Spider-Man send a pattern?
What do I explain to you?
Spider-Man can send a problem.
Spider-Man's name, this Spider-Man is Mark. Mark has been complaining about inflammation of his joints. Mark has, I know that.
Rheumatoid arthritis.
Arthritis, yeah. I don't know about the rheumatoid part, but I know about arthritis.
I think it's because of how we stand up.
Yeah? So we're finished with Spider-Man. Thank you.
Don't throw the pit.
Next fellow.
Shan't.
Christina. Say hi to Christina, folks.
Hi, Christina.
Christina has a chronic allergic disorder characterized by episodes of severe breathing difficulty, coughing and wheezing. She has...
Asthma?
I would think so. We say asthma. There you go. Where Clive gone? Come on, Bridget. Hey.
What?
This fellow here is Stacy. Oh, this woman is Stacy. Look like a fellow.
That's Stacy's first problem.
Yeah, but why is Stacy have beard and all kind of thing?
Stacy also does not realize it is July. Well, Christmas in July is a thing. So.
Stacy's immune system overacts to antigens. She suffers from, I know this. I read this, must have yesterday.
Come again?
Stacy's immune system overacts to antigens. She suffers from...
Antigens. What are antigens?
Let me read this.
I don't know.
It's something flaxix or something.
Pardon me?
I mean, I tried it
Dr.
again.
Dr. Bell, what did you say
I
about
am
the
not
flaxseed?
trying it again.
Flaxseed, yeah?
No, but you know the answer?
I don't know what a flaxseed is.
Put it up, make us see something.
Flaxseed. Oh, she has allergies. Really? Never. Where did you read about a flaxseed?
I read something about...
Flaxseed?
It wasn't, well, maybe it wasn't the antigen, but I'm certain I read something like that. Shelley has an... This is Shelley, by the way. Say hi, Shelley.
Hi, Shelley.
Yeah. Shelley has an irreversible progressive brain disorder characterized by the deterioration of memory, language, and eventually physical functioning. Shelley suffers from...
It could be a stroke, but that is an immediate thing. Could be MS too, Clive. Progressive brain disorder.
Is that stroke? You can suffer from a stroke. Can you suffer multiple sclerosis? Is that what you said? I don't know. I don't know. I would rather say it's a stroke. But I don't know if you suffer from a stroke.
Brain disorder. Dementia? Or
Alzheimer's, which is like dementia, right?
What did Harry say? Harry not coming to our clinic, eh? No. Okay. All right.
John experiences several metabolic disorders marked by excessive urination and persistent thirst. John has diabetes. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
We're not bad.
John.
We're not so bad. How much we get?
Most.
Hold on, let me back that, please.
You know, why you must treat the patients like that?
This is John. Say hi to John.
Hi, John.
All right, we never say hi to John. This is Kerry. Kerry again with beard. Where's that man, Kerry? Say hi to Kerry.
Hey, Carol.
Kerry has a malignant growth or tumor caused by abnormal and uncontrolled cell division.
These are so depressing.
Cancer.
Cancer it is.
Cancer. What's up? Yeah, man. We know the thing, man. Final one. This is Tom. Say hi, Tom.
I'm too depressed to say hi to anybody.
Say hi to Tom.
Hey, Tom. Hi, Tom.
How are you?
This is not Tom. Anybody who knows this is Cookie. Me run Cookie. This is Cookie Monster.
Say hi, Tom.
Hi, Tom. I don't know that's Cookie Monster.
Tom's doctors say his mental state characterized by a pessimistic sense of inadequacy and a despondent lack of activity. Tom suffers from, Tom just sounds like him tired and lazy.
Depression? Wait,
Depression?
let me see what it says.
See it right there.
Tom's doctor says his mental state characterized by
Depression. So much we got right.
Most of them. Was it like 9?
We didn't
out
get
of
the
10?
allergy.
Even though it was only 6 or 7.
How much we got right, please? I would never believe so we are as smart as...
A doctor.
Well, we
Not
aren't.
bad.
We are not, but we weren't bad.
Cookie. Cookie monster.
Sesame Street. You remember, which man on Sesame Street did say this is near, and then them run go all the way down the road and said this is far. This is
Was
what
that
they said.
Sesame Street? Or
Yes,
was that
it was on-
Muppets?
Who's?
Elmo. No, blue guy. Blue guy.
Them say Ernie and Bert. Colson say.
Colson watches.
Yeah.
Colson watches Sesame Street?
Huh?
Colson watches Sesame Street?
I guess. Them say Ernie and Bert. But him used to say, I forgot it. Him say,
Near?
which camera am I? Him say, this is near.
Or
Him say, this is near. And then him go.
would anybody like to diagnose Neville's condition?
And this is
while
far. All right, come again. Oh, camera. Oh, different camera. And this is near.
He's gone outside for far, so we're going to take a break and then come right back. He's gone
And this
really
is far. Where's the camera? Where's the camera?
Are you back?
And this is near. The next time I go far, you know, it says my house, may I go down.
Neville,
But